Alright guys, what is up? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be covering something which, sun glare. I'm going to be covering how to do a simple oil change in a few easy steps. Because I feel like if you're into cars, this is one of the main things you can do which both increase reliability of your car and also decrease the amount of money you spend. Of course, I like doing a lot of stuff myself just to save money because I'm a mechanic and I can do it. With that being said, a lot of things are quite complicated, so if you don't want to do that, sure. But an oil change, however, is very simple and doesn't take a whole lot of time. So just get on out there and do it, save some cash. So the car I'm going to be using today is my E46. So this has the straight 6 in it. And it's very simple, just an engine. Got your oil filter here. But anyways, let's get started. Okay, step number 1 is going to be to jack up the car and safely support it. And there we go. Now it's supported and it's sturdy. So let's get under. Or actually first, let's remove the oil filler cap. There we go. All right, step number 2. So you got to go in under your car and locate the drain bolt for the oil pan. So once you found your drain plug, you can put your catch can under and then just undo the bolt and the oil will run out. Okay, so now I've cracked this loose and now I'm just gonna get it out of here by hand. Okay, so now you gotta be really quick so you don't get any oil on yourself. There we go. And now it's dropping perfectly into the reservoir. Okay, and so while that's draining, we can move up here to the oil filter. This is a 36 millimeter, if I'm not mistaken. So let's crack that loose, get the oil filter out, and yeah. The oil filter is usually located on the top of the car, as in my case, or under the exhaust or intake. And there we go. Take the old filter out. Just like that. Then we got the new filter here. So just make sure that it's the same, which it is. And then go ahead and install it. Just like that. Okay, so now we need to change this rubber seal, which is around the oil filter housing. So just get a flat head in there, pry it up. Nope. Just like that. Then you take the new one, place it over, and just like that. There we go. Right, now it's time to install this once again. Place it in there and start screwing it in. And there we go. That's the oil filter changed. Okay, so now we need to change the seal for the oil plug. So just take it, get the old one off there, and put the new one on. Now we're ready to go under and install this. Now, you know the engine's done draining when it's dripping out, just like this. If it's running, just any sort of run, then it's not empty. But once it starts dripping, then you can reinstall the oil plug. All right, and so now once the oil plug is reinstalled, I like taking some brake cleaner and just spraying it down. That way you know it's clean. Okay, so now with the oil all out of the car, I'm I'm gonna go ahead and lower it down and get some new oil in there. This engine takes 6.5 liters of oil. So what I have here is 3.5, and then I'll go get another 3 after this. So just go ahead and pour it in. All right, so now with the oil refilled, I'm gonna go and start the engine. Okay, now the oil's been circulating for a bit, so turn the engine off. And then we're gonna go check the level. So you have dipstick right here. Very hard. There we go. Then you can pull this up. First of all, clean it off, just because since the engine's been running, the oil will have splashed all over the dipstick. And then put it down in the hole again. Pull it off. As you can see, can't really see all that well. There is enough oil in there, so that is all good. Okay, so now that we got the oil changed, the last thing to complete this service is a new cabin filter. And these are very simple to find. They are either under the glove box towards the center console or something like that. This one has it right here, so it's very simple. Just undo these 3. Hello. There we go. Those 3 like that. Pull this out. And there it is. And so then just pull that one out. Put the new one in. There we go. And that's really all there is to it. Okay guys, so that is how you do an oil service. It's really simple. There's not a lot of stuff to it. You just gotta know what to do. And I would suggest writing something in the service history for your car. I've already done that. So yeah, more than that, it's not a whole lot to it. If there's something else service related you want to see me do, just leave a comment down below. I'll make sure I'll get to it sooner or later. But yeah, until next time guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you again.